Hello, we've got some cold weather due, so I thought I'd give you some ideas on how to protect your plants. First thing you do is you put any tender plants that are in pots next to a south facing wall, and then the heat from the wall warms up through the sun and then radiates out. I know it sounds silly, but it does. And then you've got a lee of a building. If you've got any eaves sticking out, put it under the eaves. That protects it as well. Now, how frost works is you get short waves coming from the sun, they hit the ground, and then long waves radiate back up. Now if you've got a cloud, they hit that cloud and it stays in, greenhouse effect. So if you've got anything between outer space and this plant, it will protect it. Now obviously the best thing you can use, I've got this fleece here, best thing to do is wrap your pots, wrap your plants with fleece. That's number one, but not everybody's got fleece, so you just need to put something between your plant and outer space. I've got an old towel, I've got an old plastic box, I've got an old plant pot, I've got cardboard, I've got anything, and just literally plastic, sheet of plastic, bubble wrap, anything to protect this plant from outer space. And like with agapanthus, even the roots can freeze, so they can burst. So if you've got agapanthus in the ground or any tender perennials in the ground, put a layer of wood mulch. It could be wood chippings, it could be compost, anything. Just bury the crown of the plant so the frost has got a long way to get through to it. So if you do this, this is the emergency measure of how to protect your plants from this horrible frost that's coming. -5 will do some damage, -10 will do a lot of damage. Right, when you've finished all this, you only put it on for the night or the day when it's freezing. As soon as the frost goes, you take it off. So the plant still needs to breathe, it still needs the fresh air. So don't wrap it up for the winter. You can, but you then sometimes can get fungal disease and rot, and it keeps it too wet, so it can actually do some more damage than good. Best thing to do is wrap it up every time you hear a forecast of cold weather, and then unwrap it. A light night frost isn't a problem. Snow is actually an insulator, so a layer of snow on top's good as well. Just something between your plant and outer space. Interesting fact. I forgot to say, put bricks on anything that could blow away, otherwise you get up and if the wind gets up, you could end up with no fleece left. So make sure you put bricks and string